Oh, he's testing him here. Should be out. And is. He's been bowling full and then he sucks him in with this bouncer. Smart piece of bowling here.
And the celebration. Like Zaman gone to a short delivery. He's gone for 6, 14 for 1.
Oh, he did go short again, and it's paid off. There you go. What a celebration, Hassan Ali. Oh, I love you to bits and pieces. Second one down in the over. And the other opener, Sohail Akhtar, has to go. Similar score, out for 6, 14 for 2.
Uppercut and 4. Just can't bowl that length to AB de Villiers. Down the wicket and... well, what a result for Hassan Ali. He's got to rejoice this for a very, very long time. Just like this guy there. Yeah.
Yep, shake it out, brother. Go big on the move. That's what AB de Villiers was trying to do. But the informed Hassan Ali, who fortunately came off the field with a potential knee injury, is back in the game. It's his 3rd wicket and you can't get bigger than that, my friend. That deserves a celebration, and there it is. The lethal AB de Villiers. His cakes have been blown out early. It's 37 for 3.